trades here. Let's going over today's trades. This morning I traded commons on JNCE. My scanner went off on increased price action, and I kind of watched it this morning. I entered it in after hour or pre-market, so I've got pre-market on right now. I went in just before we opened at 9:20 was my entry time. So I got in at 1:25. That was what I was looking for it to hit. And ignore these right here. This is your 8 a.m. misprints showing up. So I entered it at 125. My risk was 118. So down here. My target was 130 to 135. So held through here and ended up exiting right at 130 because there was a massive wall of sellers. And if you look at all this volume down here, ton of buying volume throughout this area here, and there was a lot to push through that 130 wall. So I took a safe 18% on my profits and called it good, and it was a good spot to get out. So I almost got the top, so it was a good quick safe profits there. Next one I traded was Lucid. I took puts on it at 10 o'clock, so 10:07. Turn the after hours back off. So I rode 10:07, so I entered here. I was like, well, everything else is going down, Lucid's still going down, so I was chasing a little bit, but I went ahead and entered. And I took 20% on it. I exited on this candle here. Little volume. Went ahead and took my profits. And it never came back to my exit price, so I was real happy with that. So another 20% win on that one. And I played the $8 puts on it. So not a very long play, but it's still a good 20%. And then I also closed out my Lucid covered calls. So when it opened this morning, they were at 90%, and right here they went up to 98%. So I went ahead and closed it, and I got filled for 98.7% win on that one. So real happy there. And while it was down, I was setting alerts on it throughout the day, and I ended up buying some more shares on it. I bought it 825 and 823, so didn't quite get the low of about 810, which would have been a little bit better, but still added some more shares to it, so now I can increase the amount of covered calls I can do on it. So I'm going to watch it over the next day or two and see if we can start going back up, see if we get any news for a quick pump, anything that will increase the volatility to increase the price of those premiums to give me a better covered call entry. So that one's on watch for now. And then lastly, I closed my HL attempt. So I was trading this one on news, giving it a couple days, and I closed it down here. It was a 22% loss, but like I said the first time, these were super cheap. So even though it was 22%, I only lost $4 per contract, so $8 total. I only picked up 2. Well, that's what I got for today. Thanks, guys.